In this video, I'll show you how to get the barcode on Cash App so you can add money to your account. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the balance option at the bottom of the screen. This will display your current Cash App balance. From here, tap on the option that says Deposit Paper Money. When you select that, a new screen will appear showing you a map of nearby stores that support adding cash to your Cash App account. These are partner locations where you can walk in and hand over cash to be deposited directly. You can tap on a store to see its address and directions, which makes it easy to choose the closest one. Now, to actually get your barcode, tap on Show Barcode. This will bring up a unique barcode that the cashier at the store will scan. Once they scan it, you simply hand over the cash, and it will be added to your Cash App balance right away. If you choose a specific store from the list, you'll also see a store-specific barcode you can use there. And that's it. Now you know how to get your barcode on Cash App to add money quickly and easily. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.